The order of operation is a process for simplifying expressions so that all the answers are the same. There are various ways to remember the order, including PEMDAS and GEMDAS. The difference is this is parentheses, this is grouping. PEMDAS. You do the parentheses first, then the exponents, multiply from left to right. So if division comes first, you're going to divide. If multiplication comes first, you'll multiply. Add, subtract. If subtraction comes first, you'll subtract. So let's try some. 18 plus 6 times 2 squared. Do I have any parentheses? No. Do I have any exponents? Yes, that's an exponent. So I'm going to solve 2 squared first. 2 times 2 is 4. Everything else comes straight down. Now, do I have any more exponents? Do I have any multiplication or division? What do I have? So underline 6 times 4. Six times 4 is 24. Everything else comes straight down. 18 plus 24. 18 plus 24 is 42. So this is my answer. Let's try another one. 18 plus 6 times 2 squared. Do I have any parentheses? Underline the parentheses. Underline what you're going to solve. 18 plus 6 is what? 24 times 2 squared. Do I have any exponents? 2 squared is 4. So this is 24 times 4. And that gives me 96. Seven times 8 minus 5 plus 3 times 2 squared. Break it down step by step. Do we have any parentheses? Do we have any exponents? Underline that exponent that we need to solve. 2 squared is 4. And then everything else is going to come straight down. Now, do we have any more exponents? Do we have any multiplication or division? Yes. So I am going to read from left to right for my multiplication. 7 times 8. So I'm going to stop there, and that's my multiplication. What is 7 times 8? 56. 56. Everything else comes straight down. Now I'm going to continue with the multiplication and division. Do I have any more multiplication?
Yes.
3 times 4 is 12. And everything else came straight down. Now, do I have any more multiplication or division?
No.
So add, subtract. 56 minus 5. That's a subtraction. 56 minus 5 is 51. Plus 12. Here's my addition. 63. My next one. 4 plus 16 divided by 4 minus 3 squared. Do I have any parentheses? 16 plus 4 plus 16 is 20. Divided by 4 minus 3 squared.
That's how you got the...
Now, do I have any more parentheses?
No.
Do I have any exponents?
Yes.
3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 comes straight down. The division sign comes down. 20 comes straight down. Now, do I have any more exponents?
No.
Do I have any multiplication or division?
Yes.
20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 minus 9. What kind of 4? Negative 4. Negative 4. 15 minus 4 times 9. So circle the operation that you are going to do first. 15 minus 9. So the operation that goes first. How about if I did 6 squared minus 9 plus 12? Which one is going to go first? 6 squared. 2 to the 4th power minus 15 plus 12 minus 4. Which one am I going to do first? 12 minus 4 because it's in parentheses. 18 divided by 6 times 5. $18 divided by 6 goes first. $14/2 minus 3 cubed. So what do I do for, okay, so 14/2 plus, what does 14/2 mean? That means divide. 14/2, this is actually going to equal 7. 4 times 8 over 5 minus 3. 4/8 goes first. Okay, so let's try out some of them. 15 plus 8 squared minus 9 plus 14. What am I going to do first? 9 plus 14 is what? Nine plus 14, 23 minus 8 squared plus 15. Notice I still just underlined what I'm doing first, and I'm bringing everything down. My next one is going to be 8 squared. 8 squared is, it's not 16. 8 times 8 is 64. Minus 23. Everything else comes straight down. So now the next step is 15 plus 64, which is 79. Minus 23 gives me 56. Negative 12 plus 4 divided by 11 minus 7. I have two sets of parentheses. It does not matter which one I do first. Negative 12 plus 4. So signs are not the same, so we subtract. 12 minus 4 equals 8. What kind of 8 is it? Negative 8. Divided by 7 minus 11 minus 7. 4. So now I have negative 8 divided by 4. I am going to get negative 2. 16 plus 6 squared minus 9 divided by 3. Parentheses first. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Everything else comes straight down. Now I've done the parentheses. Now I have exponents. 6 squared is 36. 36 minus 3 comes down, plus 16 comes down. Now I have add and subtract, whichever comes first. 16 plus 36 gives me 52. The minus 3 comes down. 52 minus 3 is 49. Ten plus 4 squared minus 25. So inside the parentheses, I'm going to start over on the order of operations. Inside the parentheses, I have 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. So this is 10 plus 16 minus 25. You do not get rid of the parentheses until you solve everything inside those parentheses. So now 26 minus 25, because I solved this inside the parentheses, and this is 1.